This place is really beautiful. Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. In today's video, we are at Acacia Park Apartments in Nyali. Nyali is in Mombasa, Kenya. As you can see, this is the outside, and we are heading to our new home for a day or two. Here it's at the entrance. It's secured, very well secured. You have to use the code to get to whichever floor you're going to, which I really liked. Now we are on 6th floor. The house we will be staying in will be B6. Yeah, so you can take the lifts or you take the stairs. Welcome to our apartment. Immediately you walk in, there's that window on the left, which gives you a very nice view of the apartment. I really liked them, by the way. And then the first room on the right is the guest washroom, as you can see, and of course with the sink. I liked everything about the interiors of this house. You can see the finishing is really well done. You can even see the walls. Someone had thought through when they were coming up. You can see they have provided all the basics that you need for the house, as you can see. Yeah, it was just amazing. Surprisingly, being an apartment, it was an upgrade despite coming from a villa. And this is a 3-bedroom apartment. So after you leave the washroom, there's that, I don't know whether to call it a console, and that African touch of decor. Then we head to the main house, where on your left, you have the sitting room. There, it's spacious enough. At least you don't feel squeezed. Yeah. And of course, at this point, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and join the Just family. If you're still following our Vlogmas series, thank you so much. We really appreciate. Feel like that. Shining star. One thing that stood out for me in this house is that they have games, and it turned out that these games can be actually multi-purpose. They can be played by adults, as you will see. Some are saying, gosh, make a rule, and there were quite a number, so you just see them on the screen. and then you can see the kids can also play with them. It was amazing. Actually, I found it to be quite interesting. From the sitting room, we head to the kitchen, which is the first room on the right. The kitchen is very big and spacious, and of course, it has a lot of storage, so it will be a comfortable place to be. As you can see, which is spacious enough even for a washing machine, and it also has an SQ just past the laundry area. We now head to the bedroom, and we're going to start with the smaller bedrooms. There are two like this one, so I'll only take a video of this one. The other one is exactly the same as this one, and all the bedrooms of this house are en suite. Yeah, so that is how also the washroom looks like. It's also quite spacious. Yeah, and they have provided all the amenities, all the toiletries that you require. As you can see, also it's clean and the finishing is good, and all the rooms also have balconies. Kindly subscribe if you're returning. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next one. In the meantime, we look forward to your feedback as to the kind of content you want us to share on this channel. Thank you.